Hi, I'm Hayden.
Hi, I'm Melody.
And we are the
These Kids!
And Melody, what ride are we going to be reviewing today?
The Na'vi
River
Journey.
So, let's go and ride the ride. The Na'vi River Journey is a water-based dark ride. It is located in the Pandora section of Disney's Animal Kingdom. The ride is based on the movie Avatar.
This ride opened on May 27, 2017. On this ride, you slowly and peacefully float down a river on the Na'vi alien planet. During your nighttime journey, you see glowing plants and animals, and some Na'vi as well.
This is a relaxing ride and it has no drops. Most of the river journey is quiet with only the soft sounds of the forest around you. Towards the end, however, guests will hear singing from the Na'vi Shaman of Songs.
The shaman sings a song about living in harmony with nature. The shaman animatronic is almost 8 feet tall and is one of the most advanced animatronics Disney has ever used. It has lifelike, graceful movements and expressions.
This ride is handicapped accessible. There are no height restrictions on this ride. While it might not be as popular as the exciting Flight of Passage, this is still a pretty busy ride. This could be a good use of a FastPass, but if you enter the park when it opens, you could ride it with very little waiting. Now let's join the Diz Kids on Na'vi River Journey.
Hello, great shirtless one.
Creatures up on it. That's what the creatures got.
back with the Disc Kids. It's time to rate the Na'vi River Journey A to F and give some of our experiences. So Melody, what is your grade?
I say it's a B minus. It's super pretty and it's super calm, but it's not very exciting, but it's super calm.
My grade is a C. It's not even really a thrill ride. It's just a little water ride. It's not really fun at all. It's pretty boring. But other than that, it has some pretty cool sights, and that last animatronic at the end is pretty cool. So that's why I give it a C.
Mom and Dad both give B minuses like me.
So thank you, and make sure to comment down below what your grade is, and make sure to like and subscribe this video, and we'll see you guys next time on the Disc Kids.